Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. So, you may have heard of that quote that says, "You're not tired, your soul's tired," or something about being really tired and it's because your soul is tired. Actually, your soul can't be tired. Your soul is pure positive energy. Um, so, when we are talking about this tiredness, like this deep seated tiredness that is like deep to the bones, and we're not talking about just physical exhaustion but mental, emotional exhaustion, it is because we are not aligned with our true selves. We are not aligned with our higher consciousness, our divine selves, our with universal consciousness, whatever you want to call it. It's because we are not aligned with it. We are still in that ego state, and we are human, so of course you can't just get rid of the ego, but we are still more operating from that ego state, more from a thinking, from the mind, and we are not getting into the heart and connecting with our higher selves, because we don't, why would we want to give up this control to something else that we aren't even sure if it is there or that we are part of? So it can be really hard to let go and just allow things to unfold. Instead, we manipulate, we control, we do whatever we can, and this is what exhausts us. When we begin to overthink things or replay things over and over again, instead of healing from it, instead of allowing the healing to come and letting that go. So this is where our habits are formed from, when we are constantly replaying thoughts and emotions over and over again. Then that's going to create that habit and just perpetuate things. And then that is what makes us so tired, because we have lost that connection with our true selves. And I do this a lot as well, where I'm playing things over and over in my brain. I'm rethinking things, bringing up old emotions, maybe trying a little too hard, and not allowing more. And this isn't to say that we shouldn't be taking action. Of course, we are human. We need to take action. We need to take inspired action to move forward in life. But we also need to maintain that connection with our higher consciousness, with our higher self. And that is an important relationship to have. The relationship that we have with our ego is a toxic relationship, and that is not going to be helpful on our journey. And that is also what makes us tired, this toxic relationship that we have with ourselves, this disconnect that we have with our higher consciousness. So take a moment, take some time to reflect, to go within, to get back online with that higher consciousness, with your higher self, so that you can begin to feel more alive, more in touch with all that you are. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time. Bye.